Today we are talking about Black and Proud. We're here to talk about the concert series that's coming up. New York, if you're living in New York City, you can look out for the concert in Amazura. Yeah, Amazura, the 25th of February, Black History Month. Black and Proud, shout it loud. Give thanks and praise to all the fans around the world. Yeah, we're here to help make the people aware of what's going on. And we'll be having a series of Black and Proud concert in the month of February, which is Black History Month. So if you're in New York City, look out for us coming at you, Amazura. It's the 25th of February, and it's I and I, here with the team. Big up yourself, get the money perfect. You don't know. Turbulence will be there. Many more special guest artists. So as we go along, you can hear artists, more artists add to the bill. Because this one is a collective effort. This one is about uplifting oneself. And we're telling you, to be conscious is to be totally aware of who you are. And New York City, you can look out for us. February 25th, Queens, New York, Club Amazura. So that's why we're here, to make you aware that this is for real. Big up yourself, Turbulence. Turbulence will be a special guest on the bill. Big up yourself, Get the Money Perfect. Another special guest on the bill. And you know, music by Massive B. And it's a live bands show. Music by Massive B, Mountain Lion Sound. Big up yourself, Bad Ras. Yeah, the whole team, Cool Face, the whole team. Big up the all the selector them. Yes, big up yourself, Lively. And we are saying 90s, Flatbush, 80s, Queens, Bronx, New York, Tri-State area, Connecticut. Yes, Lead Out, Philadelphia, New Jersey, Boston. No matter where you are up there. Yeah, man. Washington, D.C., right down Rhode Island. Look out for us in February. Yes, my fans and my family in Cape Verde, South Africa, love you all. Bermuda, we love you. Anywhere you are in the world, if you can make it February 25th to New York City to come out and let us all celebrate Black and Proud concert. Yes, and if you're in California side, we'll be in Oakland, California. Yeah, Anthony B. You don't know. Turbulence, perfect. Yes, many more to add it to the bill. We're out doing something positive and conscious. Yes, my people. So look out for it. Check out the website. If you want to get a ticket for New York, you go to, you type Black and Proud concert .eventsbright.com. That's where you get a ticket for New York. So come on, I want to see the people getting the tickets from now. We could get the early tickets from now, getting the early bird ticket. We could get the show through the roof. We want it to be an ear-to-ear event. We want to make sure we can carry it from one country to another country. Yeah, one day we hope to have a very big concert in Africa titled Black and Proud. So we want to start it off right here. We kick it off right here in Oakland, California. And we're gonna take it to New York City. Yeah, we're gonna look out for us, St. Louis. We're coming your way too. Yeah, look out for us. Denver, Colorado, look out for us. Chicago, we're coming your way too. Yeah, man. So February, the Black and Proud concert series. That's what Anthony B is here promoting. Salute to Mama Africa. Salute to all my African brothers and sisters all around the world. Doesn't matter where you come from, as long as you're a black man, you're an African. Every black man was an African before he was anything else. So today you're a Jamaican, but remember, you're an African. Suriname, American, England, Canadian, Bermudan, Antiguan, Barbadian, Belizean, English, Australian, New Zealand, Japan, China. Doesn't matter where you're from. South America, if you come from Mexico, Guatemala, Guadeloupe, Martinique, St. Kitts, Haiti. Doesn't matter where you come from right now, we are set. As long as you're a black man, you're an African. And we are here to preach love to every human being on the planet Earth. One love. That's what Rasta Mission is about. Yes, my people, we don't preach racism. So salute to all the fans in Seychelles Island, Reunion Island, and all the fans all over the world. All my Jamaican brothers and sisters all over the world. Salute. And look out, New York City, New York City, New York City. We're talking about the Black and Proud concert. Club Amazura. 25th of February, Black History Month, and that's what we're here letting you know from now, early, letting you hear the word. So if you're in New York City, Spread the word. Anthony B is coming to New York with his concert series titled Black and Proud. Yeah, if you're in Oakland, California, yeah, we'll be there at Insomania, the old Caribbean City Club. That's Anthony. Yeah, look out for us. Oakland, California, February 17, Insomania Club. Big up yourself.